another small town called Bingle. It's in Riverina. It's 2-hour drive from Griffith. So as I have googled, it's only 250 people resident there. So basically I'm going there to buy 2 hens for myself, and I will show you the town and nearby places. So we have arrived to the farm. It's a typical country farm. Now we are following him. He will pick 2 chicken for us, 2 hens. Let's see.
Here is the owner explaining us what to do and what not to do.
Now we are heading towards Bunnings to buy a home for my chicken. So we bought this one for the chicken. That's the feeder and that's the drinker. So my husband is now fixing up the castle for my pet chicken, and here they are. It's a 2-part box, so this is 1 part and my husband is opening another part, and I will show you when it's done. So this is the complete look. That's my drinker and that's my feeder. So they have a door and it has a lock. It has a stair which go to the apartment, and you can close this door as well. So that's the window for the apartment. It's a messy, and there's a extra room because it's for 4 chicken. So I have 3 of them now, 2 hens and 1 rooster. So that's my new pet house.